Good morning, ma'am. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Desi Eliana. I am 23 years old. I was born in Kejadian Lom 9 February 2002. I come from Lampung Up, Indonesia. My status is married. My religion is Muslim. My tall is 153 cm. My weight is 45 kg. My last education is junior high school. I graduated in 2018. My husband job is farmer. I have one doctor. I have working experience before in Jakarta 4 years since 2019 until 2023. My job before look after baby 3 months, do general housework, cooking, go to markets and pick up children from school, prepare everything for baby and take care one cat. I can handle pork but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I want to work in Singapore because I need more money for my family and my future. I am promised to be a good housemate. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.